Good morning, everyone. In today's class, we will have a test again. 20 MCQs, part 4, based on 11 literary terms we discussed recently. Okay, so I have a sincere request to all of you that please disclose the marks you have gathered. Okay, after the end of the test. Thank you. Now, moving towards the test. First of all, I would like to show you the 11 literary terms we discussed recently. Comic relief, tragic relief, Petrarchan conceit, metaphysical conceit, cacophony, euphony, catharsis, chiasmus, heroic couplet, close couplet, and short couplet. So these are the 11 terms, and our test will be on these 11 terms. Remember that. So I will show you the question for some time, and at that particular moment you will stop or pause the video and you will answer in your own mind and count it whether you have scored or not. Okay, then I will show you the answer. It is like the previous test. So the number one question, that is the question number one, is a sentence in which words in the first half are crisscrossed in the second half is known as chiasmus, anaphora, cacophony, or caesura. The answer is chiasmus. Coming to question number 2. Which of the following term is not related to chiasmus? Antimetable, reverse parallelism, syntactical inversion, anaphora. Answer is anaphora. Question number 3. Relief from strong or repressed emotions while enjoying a piece of art, especially in tragedy, is epanophora, euphony, catharsis, or D, dissonance. The answer is catharsis. Okay. Question number 4. What are the major emotions related to catharsis? Anger and fear, pity and fear, wonder and fear, sorrow and fear. The answer is pity and fear. Question number 5. Euphony is associated with smoothness, pleasant, musical, or all of the above. The answer is all of the above. Okay. Question number 6. Cacophony is also known as assonance, alliteration, dissonance, or melody. So the answer will be dissonance. Now coming to question number 7. Comic relief is introduction of comic character or scene in tragedy, introduction of tragic character or scene in comedy, both, or none of the above. The answer is introduction of comic character or scene in a tragedy. Okay, so coming to the question number 8. Now tragic relief is introduction of comic character or scene in tragedy, introduction of tragic character or scene in comedy, both, or none of the above. So the answer will be Option B, introduction of tragic character or scene in comedy. So I think you have understood that tragic relief and comic relief are contrary to each other. Okay, try to remember that. Question number 9. Who wrote Poetics? Poetics is a work written by Plato, Rousseau, Aristotle, or Dante. So the answer, what is the answer? Aristotle. Now coming to question number 10. The origin of the term conceit is French language, Italian language, Indian language, or Latin language. So the answer, Italian word concetto was the origin of the word conceit. Try to remember. 11. John Donne was a romantic poet, Victorian poet, metaphysical poet, or modern poet. Answer is metaphysical poet. Okay. Question number 12. Characteristics of Petrarchan conceit are detailed, exaggerated, generally used in love poems, or all of the above. Petrarchan conceit. So the answer will be all of the above. Remember that. Question number 13. My Galley Charged with Forgetfulness is a sonnet where we notice Petrarchan conceit. Was written by Richard Crasso, Sir Thomas Whyte, John Donne, or Keats. So the answer, Sir Thomas Whyte. Number 14. Who among the following is the earliest user of couplet in his poetry? Geoffrey Chaucer, John Dryden, Alexander Pope, or Samuel Johnson? So the answer, Geoffrey Chaucer. Okay, this is very important information. Question number 15. Couplet is a unit of two successive lines of same meter, same rhyme scheme, almost same length, or all of the above. So the answer, all of the above. Question number 16. Who invented heroic couplet? Alexander Pope, Shakespeare, Petrarch, Geoffrey Chaucer. What is the answer here? The answer is Geoffrey Chaucer. Question number 17. And stopped is a quality of which of the following couplet? Heroic couplet, closed couplet, octosyllabic couplet, or none of the above? And stop is the quality of which of the following couplets? Now see, the answer is closed couplet. Question number 18. Which of the following couplets is known as short couplet? Heroic couplet, closed couplet, octosyllabic couplet, or none of the above? So the answer will be octosyllabic couplet. Now the question number 19. how many pairs of feet is noticed in a line of short couplet? 3, 4, 5, or none of the above? The answer is 4 pairs of feet. Okay. The other types of couplet is composed of 5 pairs of feet. This is why this particular short type of couplet is known as short couplet as well. Okay, only 4 pairs of feet. Now coming to the last question. Question number 20. The couplet used in Hudibrastic poem is heroic couplet, closed couplet, octosyllabic or short couplet, or none of the above in Hudibrastic poem. So the answer will be octosyllabic or short couplet. Try to remember. Okay, so this much for today. I think you have scored a very good number. Just give me your score, okay, in the comment box. Thank you so much for today.